Okay, we're gonna start making the hand sewn puppet. First thing you're gonna wanna do is choose a pattern. And I'm gonna demonstrate the duck, but you also have the monkey, the frog, the pig, the dog, and I think I said them all. Okay, so I chose the duck. What you're gonna wanna do is take your orange handled scissors. Make sure you don't use the shears. Okay, you don't wanna use these because they're only for cutting your fabric. So once you've got your pattern picked out, you're gonna just cut it out. And I've got one that's cut out just right here. Okay, then it's really important that you always refer to your manual. So open up your manual and you're going to find the activity for the hand puppet. Okay, just read through it. Even though you've watched the videos, it's always really helpful to read through the instructions as you do the assignment. That way, if you forget anything, you can have a refresher just right in front of you, and it'll take you a little less time than watching the video. Okay, so keep that with you. Your next step is to, you've got 3 pieces of felt. You've got 2 for the body and 1 for the nose. Okay, what we're gonna do is pin the body onto our 2 pieces of felt. Okay, first thing you wanna do is line up the felt so that it matches. And I'm gonna put the camera down so I can show you how to do that. Okay, so we're gonna line up the felt so that all the edges match. Okay, and then my instructions tell me to take my body piece and I'm going to pin it on to the fabric. Okay, now see how I've got the edge lined up? If I line up the edge or the bottom of my puppet pattern with the bottom of my fabric, I won't have to cut here, so that saves me cutting and saves me time. Okay, now in order to pin, okay, this is really important. A lot of times people have problems with pinning, so I'm going to show you how to pin. I'm going to take my pin cushion, take 1 pin out, and I'm going to poke in to my paper. Okay, just like I've done here. And then you can see the pins coming out through the other side of the fabric. And I'm going to push it back out. Okay, like you see here. Okay, so now that's how it should look when it's pinned properly. Okay, one problem that I can see right off is that the pin is going over the edge of the fabric. Okay, you don't want it like that because when you try and cut around there, you're gonna have a pin in the way. So make sure that the pin does not go over the edge of the fabric. Okay, and I'm gonna pin all the way around my puppet. I'm probably gonna put a pin here, 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 here on the hand, and 2 down here on the side. So I want to pin it so that it's very secure, and then I'm going to take my shears and I'm going to just cut all the way around the body. Okay, if you are left-handed, okay, you're going to want to talk to your teacher and get a pair of left-handed shears because these shears are for people who are right-handed. Alright, so go to that step and then watch the next video.